App User Guide. Before proceeding, make sure the machine is switched on and connected to the app. Mode setting. 3 cleaning modes. Floor, and waterline. All. Selection of working time required. Select the required cleaning speed. Manual control. Stop stands for stopping the machine. Normal represents the low speed of the brush. High represents the high speed of the brush. The black circle represents direction: forward, backward, left or right. Lift function. Control the robot to approach the water surface by operating the lift function of the app. Cycle setting. Choose the cleaning time for the weekly cycle. Select 3 cleaning modes. Select the working hours. Select cleaning speed. Click on Save and then click on the number of days in a week you want to clean. Confirmation of cycle time.